Still using SEO hacks from the dinosaur age? That's why your rankings are tanking. In just 2 minutes, I'll expose 15 outdated SEO tactics that are destroying your website's future. Let's fix it fast. Cramming keywords like best CRM, best 2025 won't work anymore. Buying buy cheap laptops 2025.com doesn't boost rankings. It screams spam. Answer user intent, not just the keyword a 200-word blog post. That's content poverty in 2025. Backlinks from irrelevant, low-quality sites. Google flags those instantly skipping schema. You're invisible to rich results and voice search. Stop making every link say, best CRM software for small business 2025. Mobile-first indexing is here. Is your site ready? If your site takes more than 3 seconds, most users bounce. Robotic copy turns visitors away. Google notices old content, just lost traffic. Update or fade out. Text-only blogs don't cut it. Add videos, graphics, or die scrolling. People search with questions now. Optimize for how, why, what. One post. One keyword is old school. Build topic authority. Google favors real people with real expertise, not faceless content farms. Still doing any of these? It's time for an SEO makeover. Hit like, subscribe, and tell us which outdated tactic you ditched this year. And remember, in 2025, real value beats tricks. Every time.